Good day everyone, welcome to my channel. And in this tutorial video guys, we will create a simple login in Python programming language. Before we continue, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers, subscribers in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos, leaving a comment, and most importantly by subscribing. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. So let's get started. So I'm using pycharm in working with this code, login.py, the file name created by yours truly, Rodriguez Pomperada, my IT, MIT, and then I have two websites. The first one is pomperada.com, and then the other one is pomperada.blogspot.com, and then my email address is pomperada@gmail.com. Currently guys, I'm accepting computer programming jobs, software development, IT consultancy at a very affordable cost. You can reach me in my personal email address at pomperada@gmail.com. The date of recording and writing this code is April 25, 2022. That will be is Monday at 5:55 AM, and then my location is Bacolod City, Negros Occidental, here in the Philippines. So we have here max login attempts 2, login attempt 0, login false, correct password is 1234. The title of our program, simple login in Python, using while loop statement in Python while not login, false, and number of attempts less than to max login attempts. It will continue asking the password. So login attempts increment by 1. If password correct, password login it is true, boolean it is true, break, it will get out in our while loop statement. And then if login true, it will display a message on the screen, login successful, else login failed, and then it will display print new line and a program new line. Don't worry guys, because I will put a link in the video description where you can download the complete source code for free. I would like to thank my best friend, my close friend and a fellow software engineer, Tom, who helped me out in this program. Tom is one of our contributor of programs in my channel, together with Sir Raymond, my avid friends and close friends in software engineering and development. Thank you so much, Tom. Okay, so let us right click and then run the file. So we have here simple login in Python. Let's say we have wrong password, and then a third time we have the right password. It will say login successful and a program. Another example, let's say 3 times wrong password, so it will display login failed and a program. Okay guys, so this is the end of our tutorial video. I hope that you have learned something new in this tutorial on how to create simple login in Python programming language. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.